We've been on a few cruises over the years and we've learned a few things about what we should and shouldn't take, and in this video I'm going to share 5 essentials that I will pack every time we go on a cruise. This video is being released out of sequence of a couple of other videos that we're going to do, and yes, I do have short hair. By the way, I'm Karen, fallen with my husband. We are Sapphire Blue Travel. Let's get into what I promised you for this video. 5 essentials for a cruise. We're going to start in the bathroom and we're going to talk about a hanging toiletries bag. This is a great idea because quite often you might not have a lot of space in a cruise bathroom. You might be looking for places to hang things and keep them dry, or just off your bench top, and a hanging toiletries bag is a great thing for that. Quite often I hang mine on the towel rack if I can't get it on a bench somewhere, and I just find it really useful, not just for on a cruise but anywhere. We all know that a cruise ship is made of metal, and the walls and the roof are all very useful when it comes to using magnets, and we take magnet hooks with us. Some of the more modern cruise ships these days are putting a couple of hooks in convenient places near the door, but older ones not necessarily, and these hooks are fantastic. As I said, the roof is magnetic, and in our last cruise I experimented after seeing on a YouTube video hanging one off the roof, and that leads us into my next thing. This one might feel a little bit weird, but I'm going to talk to you about a fabric hanger. And this fabric clothes hanger has become an essential not just for cruising but for any packing. It gives you 5 pegs hung over a clothesline or a rail like that. So if you're into hand washing your delicates and socks and stuff like that, you can hang them up to dry and you're not taking up lots and lots of space. You can have a little bit more room. The other thing that they're great for is on a cruise ship is, along with your magnets, you can use these to hang and put a magnet on the ceiling and then get this peg close to an air-conditioned vent or near a window where it can get some sunlight on it to dry your swimmers or those delicates I was just talking about. Another thing that can go with this one as a little bit of a bonus is some wrinkle spray or wrinkle-free spray. So I've been testing the bounce one and it's quite good. I find that I do have to dampen the clothes down though a little bit to help drop the creases out, but it was a great alternative because a lot of cruise lines don't supply laundries and you're not allowed to bring an iron. Okay, let's talk about being out and about on the cruise ship. Quite often you will need water, and not all cruise ships give you access to water. We've found these foldable compact water bottles that will fit into your bag, not take up much space, but I think it's about a 600 ml or 550 ml or something capacity these water bottles have got. I'll put the details on the screen, and they're fantastic. Great if you like walking, or even if you just want that option of being able to get some water when you're out and about and not having to pay for it. Another thing that we find helpful, I know these are a bit of a on the edge of becoming extinct in some areas, is a lanyard. We still use a cruise lanyard. We find them convenient and helpful. We know where our cruise card is when we need it, whether it's when we're leaving our room or just wandering around. We know that when we need to pay for something, it's around our neck, we can give it to the staff, or we can do whatever we need to do with it. We can unlock our door and it's all within easy reach. Yes, we love a good cruise lanyard. As a little bonus, I want to share with you our journal that we've just created. It's not just a journal in the sense of being a traditional travel journal, it's also a planner so that it helps you with your planning of your trip and building out your itinerary. And then it's also got a section at the back that helps you to look at what you've packed and how you can improve that next time if that's something that you're looking at. If you've got value out of today, I would love it if you hit the like button. Why don't you let us know in the comments below what is a cruise essential that you won't go without. I've linked all of these items down below in the comments through Amazon and our affiliate links, and we would love it if you would check those out. If you want to see more cruise essentials, check out the blog in the description below as well, where I showcase all of our cruise essentials and things that we include when we're packing for a cruise. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye.